We're UVic Rocketry, an interdisciplinary student team that builds and launches sounding rockets to push the boundaries of science and aerospace engineering. This year, students in life sciences and engineering are teaming up in the name of planetary protection. Our rocket will carry a payload experiment created to investigate spacecraft sterilization, a necessity as sample retrieval from other, potentially habitable planets gets closer each day. We're comparing the homologous recombination pathways in Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Escherichia coli using knockouts of yeast Rad51 and Rad52. By forcing S. cerevisiae to instead express an ancestral protein, prokaryotic E. coli Rec-A, we can look at the conservation between these pathways by the ability of Rec-A to complement yeast sensitivity to DNA damage. This allows us to better select conserved pathways as targets for spacecraft sterilization. Here at UVic Rocketry, we can't wait to launch our research to new heights.